Hi friends, what can be the best idea for a simplest and effective website? Yes, the answer can be one pager stunning website. I'm going to show you some websites. This is one. This is another one. This is next. Another. Also good. And this is wonderful. And I have many options with the theme that we are going to overview in this video for one pager website. One page website is always going to help you in presenting your brand in a very crisp manner. And if you are looking for a wonderful, responsive, multi-purpose, one-page WordPress theme, this is the video and you are watching the correct video, and this video is going to show you the correct solution. This is Brando. And Brando is a responsive, multi-purpose, one-page WordPress theme, and it has been developed by the theme Za. They are Power Elite author at Envato Market, and the theme is running on the web since 2016, and regular updates for this theme is also being done time to time. It is wonderful. Brando is a completely modern, feature-rich, professionally designed, fully responsive, and multi-purpose one-page WordPress theme. And we are going to create a stunning one-page website using this theme in this video. Watch this video until end. You'll get to know what is laying inside the theme. Okay, so let us start, and first of all, I'll show you the theme pack that you'll get from the Envato Market to the following by following the link given in the video description. That is, affiliate link is there in the video description. You can simply buy the theme and start building your website using this theme. And I create mentors are here to help you join the program, create your website, and start signing on the web. Okay, so this is a fresh installation of WordPress, and I'm going to show you the theme pack. In the theme pack, you'll get this brando.zip file, that is the installable file. The child theme is also here, documentation is also there. So we are going to use this brando.zip, and as in all videos, we have this fresh installation of WordPress, and our website is looking like this for now, and this is using 2023 WordPress theme. I'm going to upload the theme. You have two methods to upload the theme. Either you can go in the themes. Oh, you might be thinking how you can install the WordPress core. It is simple. It is available in the cPanel, and option is here. You can simply install the WordPress core using this WordPress Manager by Softaculous, and you can get this hosting, the cPanel, through the link of WP Themes website given in the video description. Just so simple. Go for it. Explore all the links. And this is already installed, and I'm going to upload the theme. So I was saying you have two methods to upload the theme. This is appearance, and you can upload the themes either using this interface. You can add a new theme here, browse the installable file, and you can upload the theme. And since we are having all the access, I'll go directly to the file manager, and I'll conveniently upload the theme here and under themes folder. Okay, so I am going to upload, select file, and in the downloads I have brando.zip. Okay, so it is just 20.90 MB, and you've seen the speed, it is supersonic. It is the beauty of hosting plan, and it is a wise decision to have a hosting plan by following the link of WP Themes website, because it is going to give you a WordPress optimized hosting. Okay, so I am now extracting the uploaded file, and yes, Brando is here. Simply delete this zip one. It is already extracted. And now come back to the themes screen. Brando is here. Along with the default theme, I'm using Brando 2.3. As on date, this is the latest version. You'll get the updated one through the link. But the installation process and the features will remain almost same. Okay, so let us activate the theme. And upon activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins. And okay, I can see this is just 4 plugins here, and WP Bakery is the page builder that had been used. Brando add-on is here, and it is always good to have that theme that is using very less number of plugins. So this theme uses only 2 required plugins. One is the page builder and another is add-on. Yes, you can use this contact form 7 and even for MailChimp for email subscription. So I'm going to install all these 4 plugins. So only 4 plugins are required, and I can simply select all, select install and click on apply. It may install all the required and the recommended plugins, 2 required, 2 recommended plugins, and it is going to be very simple. And yes, you can see all the plugins has been installed successfully within just few seconds. Return to the plugin installer screen, and this is time when we have to activate the installed plugin. So now I'm activating all the plugins. Fine. Wonderful. Simple. Smooth. Coming back to the dashboard. Now, we can refresh this page. How this looks now with the theme and all setup plugins. Okay, so this is the basic look. And we have a target website like any of these. We can choose any. Okay, it is really wonderful. So, as I shown you, we have multiple options. This is a multi-purpose, one-page WordPress theme, and you can select any of these layouts. Okay, what we need to do next, we need to import the demo content, and I'll find the options where we can import the demo. Okay, so theme setting, maybe not, and under tools, not, under appearance, theme setting we can check. So even I am also installing this theme very first time, and okay, so it is not here. Import. Okay, so demo import option is there. What I was skipping, and the import export option is here, and the theme setting itself. So you can go to the theme setting, and import export option is here, and here we can select what we need to have at our website. I mean the layout we can select here, and all are here, and we can simply select. So I'm choosing this corporate one, and it is new one, and you can select as per your requirement. All are available here. So I am simply choosing this corporate and clicking on install, and we can simply select all content since it is being a fresh installation, and it will import all the data, and simply click on OK, and the corporate. Okay, so it is good. Demo data successfully imported in just 2 seconds. It is amazing. Now please install the okay, so regenerate thumbnails plugin set one. Okay, so we can do this since it is recommended. I can install here the regenerate thumbnails, and it is installing, activating, and so how to run, I don't know. And under tools, I can see regenerate thumbnails is here, and we can, okay, so delete thumbnail files per old under unregistered site. Okay, skip regenerating existing correctly site thumbnails faster. Skip regenerating existing correctly site thumbnails. Regenerate thumbnails for 23 attachments. Regenerate thumbnails for. Okay, so I'll go for this 33, and it is super fast. It is just a recommended step because it is going to size the images that is being used at the website, and that can make the site faster. So it is of course necessary for a good website. So 23 items have been regenerated, and now I am eager to refresh this page. And yes, it is wonderful. Okay, so I got the point. So images has not been provided in the demo, and this is why the demo was imported in just 2 seconds. And of course the placeholder images are here, and what I would recommend, you have to install the regenerated thumbnail, but run only once you complete your installation, uploading your images, and it would be fine. And I can see the complete website is here. It is super fine. And just in case if you need to use the same images, however you have to upload your own images, you can download the images from the original layout, original demo website, and you can use those images as well, but they are subjected copyright issues. So this is the website that we targeted, and we are here, and we have completed this installation smoothly. So it was so simple. We created a landing page website. We just need to upload our images and edit the text, and it will be fine. So I can simply show you, since it is a simple one page website, simply click on the edit with WP Bakery page builder, and you would be able to edit the page content simply. So what you have to keep in mind, just use the same dimension of images as had been shown in the placeholder images, and try to use same length of text so that you may maintain the design integrity. Rest would be fine. Simply click on the pencil icon, and you would be able to edit the content so simply. So I think there is nothing like so simple as given in Brando, and you can simply create a one-pager website, at least for landing page. You can use this website for your landing page, for your campaign and all. So you can go for this, and you will be able to launch your website in no time, soon, quickly. And even just in case if you need any support, write in the comment section, join the iCreate, we are here. So in the coming video, I'm coming with more WordPress solutions, more resources that can be really helpful for presenting your services, your company on the web. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.